Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to my Excel today. Today we want to look at how to create an interactive conditional formatting such that if you select it, it will highlight what you really want or what you are really interested in. And to do that, we have our data here. So first, our interest will be in the sales rep where we have the names. So we would like to get the unique names. So to do this, we select the data. We go to insert, we go to pivot table. So we create a pivot table into a new worksheet. So this is our new worksheet. We are interested in the unique items for the we are interested in the unique items. So we drop the unique items into rows. So what we have here will be the skirt, shoes, and teddy bear. So we copy that. We go back to our original data. So we paste it somewhere here. Let's say in column R. Then our second interest will be on where we have the headings. So we have the date sales rep, so we'll just copy that and we'll paste it in a transpose form. So we use paste transpose. You want it to be in the same format, so we use the format painter to ensure that it's in the same format. So in here we have our rows, that's our unique items, and here we have our headings. So we use a drop down menu to really do that. So we'll have our rows here. Let me just give it a column. Rows where we have the sales rep, then our column, where we are interested in the headers. Quickly go to data, go to data validation. What are we interested in? We are interested in list, so we select our list for the rows. That's where we have the shirts, that's the items, the unique items. Then we click on OK. So in our drop down we have the unique items, shirts, shoes, skirts, and the teddy bear. Then in our column row we'll create the same. We go to data, we go to data validation, we go to list. Our source will be where we have the date, the sales rep. Then we select that one, we click on OK. So then we have our drop down here, so we can decide to select here. Our interest will be assuming the quantity. So to really implement or apply the conditional formatting to that, what we will do is we'll select the data, go to conditional formatting. So we go back to home, we go to conditional formatting, we go to new rule, so we go to use formula to determine. So in here we are going to say that where we have our items, so we are saying that where shirt is equal to, that's where we have our row reps to also be equal to shirts. It should give it a color, and here we want to give it a color or fill the cells, give it a shade of a blue, and we click on OK. So we should know that in this we need to, since we'll be moving in rows, we need to really unfix the row. So we will remove the fix sign or the dollar sign in front of the 4. Then we click on OK. So automatically you realize that in the columns or in the rows where we have shirts will be highlighted automatically way down. Wherever we have shirts will be highlighted. So when we go in here and change the shirts to, let's say, skirts or shoes here, so here shoes, we'll have shoes highlighted throughout. If we change here to watch, will be highlighted, the watches will be highlighted. So we continue to create the conditional formatting for the columns where the focus will be on the heading. So to continue, we select the data, we move to our conditional formatting, we go to new rule, we go to use formula to determine which cell to format. We click into the cell where we have format values where the formula is true. Then we select date. So we are saying a situation where the date is equal to where we have the column. So here our focus will be in the columns. So we unblock the column where we are moving from B, C, D. So we have unblocked it. What format should it show? It should give us a shade of green. Then we say OK. Then we click on OK. So you can see that where we have the sales rep, automatically that whole column is colored green, and we still have where we have the watches also highlighted. When I go to the drop down and change the columns or the headers to, let's say, my focus to be on items, automatically change to items. If I want it to be on sales, automatically it's on sales. And if I want the sales rep, the focus, the items really I'm interested in, if it's skirts, automatically change. So here it's not, the focus not on the sales rep, but rather the items. Thank you very much for following us, and continue to follow us on Teach Consult. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.